Alrighty friends, so you have just completed a lesson where you made a keychain or something else awesome that you may be able to print. If I have approved it, then what you need to do is save it as an STL to a special location so we can get to it. To do that, you simply hit export, choose STL. You must be in my classroom, but if you are, you can go to the desktop and you can find the MT Tools folder. When you find that, go to the STL files. Make sure that yours has your name on it. So mine says Keychain Mike 2 because I've made many, and you can simply hit save. At that point, your project is where I can find it and we can get it printed. Thanks for watching. If you found this movie useful, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it below. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.